All right, makeup for besties. So she said the point of view, you still don't know how to use eyeliner. No, what, she ain't did a bad job. Now, this technique where she is smudging it, that's how you can achieve like a smoky eye naturally. I don't think she did a bad job. All right, makeup for besties. This is one of my favorite people on TikTok. Her name is Brianna, and she teaches people how to do makeup like they're toddlers. I love her. Now, she wants to show you how to achieve this smoky eye look. The main key aspects that I got, because the editing part of this video wasn't the best, but I still love my girl Brianna. But she said that up close is where you're going to like apply more pressure. And the more further back that you go, you want to be really light-handed. See, this is the part where it just sounded like she was speaking a foreign language. But the smoky eye look, I think, turned out really great. Look at that. Oh, no. All right, makeup for besties. It says a makeup artist's worst nightmare. Is she crying? Or is she sweating? What y'all think? All right, makeup for besties. Now it's your turn to vote. You let me know if today's Makeup for Besties episode, which one was your favorite? Okay, it doesn't matter if it's an epic fail, if it turned out beautiful. Which video was your favorite? Which segment? Was it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Don't forget to vote. And I'll see you later. I love you. Thanks for watching.